WordPress SEO for content. Here's a quick overview of the SEO process for WordPress websites. As you know, the search engines have their own proprietary algorithms for how they calculate value. Among them are these key guidelines that you need to follow when creating content in your site. There are 10 steps for the WordPress SEO process. The first 5 are listed here, and they are: ensure that your keyword is in the page title, it's in the page slug, it's included in header tags, and ensure that the keyword density is appropriate and that you also have the keyword in the last 50 to 100 words. Steps 6 through 10 are to ensure that you have an image with the keyword. Ensure that the image actually has an alt tag with the keyword inside of it. As well, have an internal link with the keyword and an external link with the keyword. And if your document is about 300 or so words, then that is a good size. The page title and the page slug. What you want to do is ensure that your page title contains the keyword that you're targeting. The page slug, if you've not heard of this term before, is what is seen by the search engines. For example, example.com/keyword-optimize-page-slug, and that's the slug that is seen in the search results. The header tags. The header tags are the H1, H2, and H3 tags in your WordPress content. When you are writing content, ensure that your keyword appears in each of these tags. These tags will also help your reader by breaking content into readable and logical chunks that can be easily read on a screen. A good page has about 300 words for a good read/skim. Ensure that you scatter your keywords throughout your document to achieve a 2 to 5% keyword density. Finally, the keyword that you are targeting should be in the last 50 to 100 words of the content. Images are another big thing when it comes to an SEO score for the search engines. Each piece of content should have at least one image with the keyword in its name and the keyword in the ALT equals tag. Have you taken a look at Wikipedia? The thing about Wikipedia is that it is chock full of links, both internal and external, and this is what makes for very good reading. With internal links, you can engage your reader, and with external links, you can show to the search engines that you care about your prospective client's interests by linking to relevant and valuable content.